Are you ready to upgrade your kitchen with the best Amazon finds of 2025? From time-saving gadgets to space-saving solutions, we've rounded up 30 must-have kitchen tools that will make cooking and organizing easier than ever. Whether you're a home chef or just love smart kitchen innovations, these picks are worth every penny. Stay tuned till the end to discover some game-changing products. Let's get started. Pancake Batter Dispenser. Want perfect pancakes every time? This Easy Pour Pancake Batter Dispenser is a game-changer. With a built-in measuring label, you can precisely control the amount of batter, making breakfast mess-free and fun. Whether you're whipping up waffles, muffins, or cupcakes, this must-have tool ensures uniform portions effortlessly. Available now for just $23.99. Dash Mini Waffle Maker. Craving a quick and delicious breakfast? The Dash Mini Waffle Maker is the perfect solution. This compact, non-stick waffle iron heats up fast and makes adorable 4-inch waffles in minutes. It's perfect for kids and families who love a fun and easy breakfast. Grab yours today for just $9.99. 2-Slice Slim Toaster. Upgrade your morning routine with the Bella Slim Toaster. Featuring 6 shade settings, reheat and cancel buttons, and an anti-jam design, this sleek toaster fits anywhere in your kitchen while delivering perfectly toasted bread every time. With a 900-watt power output and auto shutoff feature, it's a steal at just $19.98. Orange Juice Squeezer. Freshly squeezed juice just got easier with this heavy-duty cast-iron citrus juicer. Designed for durability, this professional-grade squeezer extracts every drop from oranges, lemons, and limes without the hassle. If you love fresh juice, this is a must-have gadget at just $69.99. Kitchen Utensils Set. Upgrade your kitchen with the Dream Farm Ultimate Set. This collection includes non-stick safe utensils like the Chopula, Soupoons, and Klong's Light, designed for effortless cooking. Whether flipping, stirring, or draining, these tools make meal prep easier. Their ergonomic design and heat-resistant materials ensure durability. Available at just $41. French Fry Cutter. Enjoy homemade fries effortlessly with the Sopito Professional French Fry Cutter. Crafted from stainless steel with a sharp 1/2-inch blade, this cutter slices potatoes, carrots, and cucumbers with ease. The ergonomic handle ensures smooth operation, making it a must-have for any kitchen. Available at just $52.99. Olive Oil Dispenser and Sprayer. Say goodbye to messy oil bottles with the Yaramate 2-in-1 Olive Oil Dispenser. This food-grade glass bottle functions as both a dispenser and a sprayer, perfect for cooking, grilling, and salads. Its sleek design and easy-to-use spray function make portion control simple. Available at just $18.99. Oversint Foldable Dish Drying Rack. Maximize your counter space with the Serpa's Foldable Dish Drying Rack. Made from silicone-wrapped stainless steel, this multi-purpose rack fits over the sink for efficient drying. It's durable, heat-resistant, and easy to store when not in use. A perfect kitchen addition for small spaces. Available at just $24.98. Easy Twist Jar Opener. Struggling with stubborn jar lids? The Easy Twist Jar Opener is designed for seniors and those with arthritis. Its ergonomic grip and simple twist mechanism make opening bottles and jars effortless. No more frustration, just an easy solution for everyday kitchen tasks. Available at just $26.99. Ceramic Cookware Set. Upgrade your kitchen with this ceramic cookware set. These non-toxic, non-stick pots and pans heat evenly for perfect cooking results. Plus, the detachable handles make them easy to store and even oven-safe. Whether you're cooking, baking, or storing leftovers, this versatile set has you covered. Say goodbye to bulky cookware. Food huggers. Tired of throwing away half-used fruits and veggies? The Food Huggers. Reusable silicone food savers help keep your produce fresh longer. Simply stretch these flexible silicone covers over cut lemons, onions, cucumbers, or even open cans to seal in freshness. They're eco-friendly, reusable, and a great way to reduce food waste. Under Cabinet Jar Opener. Struggling with stubborn jar lids? The Under Cabinet Jar Opener makes opening any jar effortless. Just mount it under your cabinet, Slide in a jar and twist. No more sore hands or frustration. It's completely hidden, saving you counter space while making your kitchen more functional. Perfect for anyone with arthritis or weak grip strength, available at just $14.95. Large dish drying rack. Upgrade your dish drying game with the Kitcher Large Dish Drying Rack. This extendable rack features multiple compartments for plates, utensils, and even cutting boards. It's designed to drain excess water efficiently while keeping your kitchen organized. Whether you have a small or large sink, this adjustable rack fits perfectly. Get yours today for just $38.99. Food warming mat. Tired of food getting cold too quickly? The food warming mat keeps your meals warm without overheating them. This roll-up silicone heating pad is perfect for keeping dinner warm while waiting for family members or serving multiple dishes at once. Just plug it in, place your plates on top, and enjoy warm meals whenever you're ready. Grab yours for just $47.99. Automatic pan. Stirrer. Need an extra hand in the kitchen? The utensil. Automatic pan stirrer does the stirring for you. Whether you're making sauces, soups, or custards, this battery-powered gadget keeps everything moving while you focus on other tasks. Just place it in the pan, turn it on, and let it do the work. A lifesaver for busy home cooks, available for just $39.50. Ninja Blender. Looking for a powerful blender that does it all? The Ninja Blender is your go-to for smoothies, sauces, frozen drinks, and even crushing ice effortlessly. With high-speed blades and multiple settings, it blends everything to perfection in seconds. Whether you're meal prepping or making a refreshing smoothie, this blender won't disappoint. Get yours now for just $99.99. Metal faucet glass. Rinser. Cleaning bottles and glasses has never been easier. This stainless steel faucet glass rinser provides a high-pressure spray to remove residue instantly. It's perfect for busy kitchens, bars, or coffee stations. Easy to install and designed for efficiency. Available for just $52.29. Under cabinet lights. Say goodbye to dimly lit countertops. The EZ-Valo LED under cabinet lights are motion activated and add instant brightness to your kitchen. Whether you're cooking at night or just need a little extra light, these sleek rechargeable lights make your space look modern and functional. No wiring needed, just stick them under your cabinets and enjoy. Upgrade your kitchen ambiance for just $39.99. Self-stirring mug. No more stirring your coffee manually. This rechargeable, waterproof self-stirring mug is perfect for mixing coffee, milk, or cocoa effortlessly. Its sleek black stainless steel design is both stylish and functional, making it a must-have for coffee lovers. Grab yours now for just $22.99. StepRite kitchen mats. Say goodbye to tired feet with these cushioned anti-fatigue kitchen mats. Designed for comfort and durability, they are non-slip, waterproof, and perfect for standing while cooking or washing dishes. This two-piece set comes in a stylish black design and is available for just $24.99. Kitchen compost bin. Want an easy way to manage food waste? The Embillion Kitchen Compost Bin is a compact and odor-proof bin that lets you compost scraps right in your kitchen. It's perfect for reducing waste while keeping your kitchen clean and eco-friendly. Plus, its sleek design fits seamlessly on countertops or under sinks. Available now for just $29.99. Jar vacuum. Sealer kit. Preserve your food for longer with this electric mason jar vacuum sealer kit. Compatible with both wide mouth and regular mason jars, this handy tool ensures airtight sealing to keep food fresh. Whether you're storing dry goods or homemade sauces, it's a must-have. Grab yours today for only $23.19. ODSD Bag Sealer. Keep your snacks fresh with the ODSD 2-in-1 mini bag sealer. This portable device not only seals but also cuts plastic bags for easy food storage. It's lightweight, battery-operated, and even comes with a lanyard for convenience. Perfect for sealing chips, candies, and more. Get yours today for just $11.99. Corner Cabinet Lazy. Susan. Maximize your kitchen storage with the 28-inch Corner Cabinet Lazy Susan. Featuring 270-degree adjustable height chrome shelves, this space-saving solution keeps your essentials organized and within easy reach. Ideal for kitchen corner cabinets, it brings convenience and style to any home. Available now for $142.60. Glass teapot set. Enjoy a perfect tea experience with this glass teapot set. The teapot features a removable stainless steel infuser, and the 4 double-wall teacups keep your drink warm longer. Microwave and dishwasher safe, it's great for blooming or loose-leaf teas. A stylish addition to any kitchen, grab this set for only $37.99. And that's a wrap on the top 25 Amazon kitchen gadgets worth buying in 2025. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to check out the links in the description to grab your favorites. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more amazing kitchen finds. See you in the next one.